Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be doing an install and review on the Eonon A304 DSP amplifier box. So a company called Eonon sent me the DSP amplifier box, model number A304, for installation and review. And the first thing you notice when you open up the box is how compact this unit is. It fits in the palm of your hand. Taking a quick look, you can see the speaker inputs and the outputs. There's also a legend that points out the harness connections. Next is the infrared cable. This allows us to use the infrared remote that comes with the amplifier. You also get the power cable. This is the plug-and-play cable. It goes from the head unit to the amplifier and then back out to the car's audio system. You also get the infrared remote. And finally, the product guide and instruction manual. This gives you a product overview, basic installation instructions, and a wiring diagram. All right, that's what we got to work with. Like always, I'm going to have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start brocanicking. Okay, so everything has been buttoned up. Well, the first things you want to do is you want to go to your Bluetooth in your settings and turn on Bluetooth. You look for the DSP 800 and go ahead and click that to connect.
Connected.
Once it's connected, you'll hear the amplifier tell you that you are connected to the amplifier. And now you can control functions with your Eonon remote. You've got your bass and treble buttons here if you want to go into custom and customize your sound. Up, down, left, right, EQ, mute button, refresh, and plus or minus, which could be your volume. So we're going to go and play a tune here. So you can control your volume on your phone. So you can make it soft and as loud as you want. You can also control it here on your remote.
Maximum volume.
Once you hit your maximum volume, it'll tell you it's at the max. But you can also, if it's not loud enough, you can go ahead and control it on your phone to get more volume. You can also cycle through your preset EQs.
Pop.
This is pop.
Rock.
You got rock.
Jazz.
Jazz. Vocal. Bass.
Sound.
Surround.
Custom.
And custom. So with custom, you can shape your sound by simply pressing the bass or treble buttons. So I'm going to press treble. Press this down button here. And you can hear that the crispness has kind of gone away, kind of leveled it out. Hit the treble button. I'm going to raise it up. And you can hear the highs much clearer.
Flat.
And finally flat.
Classic.
And back to classic. So you can control the volume one of two ways, on your phone and on the remote. Now what's really neat, again, is being able to go ahead and make changes to your sound via the remote. And you can actually step outside your car. So like if you're outside, you're down at the beach or something, and you're away from your car, you can actually change and shape the sound and control the volume with your infrared remote while you're outside of the vehicle. Now, mind you, you have to be in eyesight of the infrared remote, the remote wire here. But for the most part, that's kind of neat, being able to go ahead and control the sound, the EQ, and the volume without having to step into your car. And all of this is done through the remote. My personal thoughts on the Eonon 304 DSP amplifier box. It's a great alternative to control your music and the sound through your phone directly through the amplifier. And all that's done through an infrared remote. So the key features of the A304 is the professional automotive grade DSP audio processing chip, built-in high efficiency D-class amplifier. It supports multiple sound effect modes, independent treble and bass adjustments for customization, a remote control supported for easy operation, and supports 48 kilohertz high sampling rates for detailed sound reproduction. So the freedom to shape your sound, to move back and forth through your playlist, toggling through the preset EQs, which sound great, and also the customization, being able to go to custom sound and adjust your sound, your treble and your bass to your liking. And I'd also like to give a big shout out to Eonon for sponsoring this video and allowing me to do a review and installation on the A304 DSP amplifier box. If you folks haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.